Welcome back friends, and in this today's video I am going to explain you what to do if power button does not wake up your Android phone. Means you are pressing the power button but it is not waking up. The power button, this button I will show you, this button is the one of the most important button on your smartphone. It used to turn on phone, it is used to turn off phone as well as other tasks such as putting the phone into sleep mode or restarting it. So this is a multi-function button that can be used to perform a variety of tasks. By understanding the different functions of the power button, you can use it to make your smartphone more user-friendly and efficient. But if it is not working, then what will you do? So in this video I am going to tell you how to fix Android phone not waking up with power button. There are several common reasons why the power button does not work. Means your phone case is blocking the power button, making it impossible to fully press it. The power button is stuck by a foreign object, so that it becomes stiff when pressed and cannot be pressed easily. There are problems with the software or application on your Android phone that prevents the screen from waking up. It may also be that the battery is dead, causing the screen to fail to wake up when the power button is pressed. So if you are having this problem, then you must be thinking what to do next. Is it possible to repair it? Should I go to the repair shop? Before that, I am going to tell you 5-6 methods you need to do before going to repair shop or seeking any professional help. So not wasting much of your time, if you are new to the channel and like the video, please do consider to subscribe. The very first thing is check this, remove any extra cover. So I will remove it. I have removed my cover, and then here you can see this. Check this is stuck, clean for any dirt, thoroughly clean it, and then try to wake your phone up, try to use it. If it is working, then it is very good. If it is not working, then the second thing you need to see, hard restart your phone. This is a Samsung mobile. For your Android version, you can Google it, how to hard restart. In this power on button and the volume down button, just press both simultaneously for just 10 to 15 seconds. And if Samsung logo comes and phone is restarting, that is very good. Your problem might have been solved. If it is not working, then this may happen that your phone battery is dead. So with the help of original charger and original cable, please try to charge it for 3-4 hours, and after that just try to wake it up by pushing that power on button. And if it is working, that is very good. If it is not working, then try to boot it into safe mode. But how will happen? Just press that power button several times, and in some cases keep it pressed for some time. And if a screen like that, just keep it pressed for some time. And what will happen, if by any means this comes, then just try to boot it into safe mode. Press the power off button for some time, and then this will come and then press your safe mode. And if your phone is working properly in the safe mode, then there might be a possibility that you have downloaded any application that is causing the hardware issue. If after doing all the things your phone is not working, then please go to the repair shop and seek for professional help. This is all what I wanted to tell you in this video. If you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.